The Mawmluh Cherra Cements Employees Union has appealed to Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma to disburse the financial assistance under the special scheme for cement plant employees in 2 installments instead of 3. Following a meeting with the Chief Minister, the union's president, Pinskem Lingdo, said the government had initially proposed releasing the assistance over 3 installments spanning 3 years. Employees are expected to receive around Rs 14 lakh under the scheme. Lingdo expressed concerns that receiving only about Rs 4 lakh per year would create financial hardships.
Ada pihak ini polis jam ada ai yang ini dekat tu masuk kau lagi kan ketai kalau dia kau ni nomor video tang nak maksimum kat saw video tang lai sawlak season yo kata kamlong visible kamlong kaba lak man penyat yang setiap dia masuk tu kejing lut malakas ni pedang lai sistem video tak kata kalong kejing yang dapat pawai kan ni khmat menteri laba buat ulah kular ba hoi labu apo laisnam sundai ni la dawa ba apo sistem di pendam